This is an important point. The trade might have played out, but the idea might still be valid. And so this is an example of that where you don't want to go, oh, it's over, I'm off now. So how do we engage with it? That is a playbook worked off here. We've clearly got buyers stepping in higher and higher levels, and there's no reason to abandon the idea. I don't know what's going to happen, and it's not really that important. This is where you're just trading based on having edge. I want to engage in the market, trading an underlying idea, what the catalyst was, and then, of course, there is actually a playbook trade here to get long. What's the next step? Well, just getting flat up here. The idea is it's still potentially a go, sure. In other words, we can keep moving up to get the trap sellers out of the market. But this is like the edge of the playing field now. I'm not going beyond the edge of the playing field. I'm not playing football outside the boundary. It has to meaningfully move into the next playing field for me to even give it another thought.